Want to use just the audio track from a video you have on your iPhone, but not sure how to separate them? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to convert a video into an audio file on your iPhone. Now let's get started. To do this, we're going to use the Shortcuts app that comes pre-installed on your iPhone. If you've deleted it, you can re-download the app for free from the App Store. Open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Tap New Shortcut at the top and select Rename. Now name your shortcut Convert Video to Audio. Tap Done to save. Tap the info icon at the bottom and enable Show in Share Sheet. Tap Done. Tap Images and 18 more. Tap Clear in the top left corner. Enable Media, then tap Done. In the Search Actions text box, type in Encode Media. Select Encode Media when it appears in the search results. Tap the arrow to open more options, and enable Audio Only for the output. Now type Save File into the Search Actions text box, and select Save File in the search results. Tap Done to save your shortcut. To use your new shortcut, open your Photos or Files app and find a video you'd like to convert to an audio file. Tap the Share icon. Then select your Convert Video to Audio shortcut. Choose which folder you want to save your audio file to, then tap Open. Your audio file will then be created and stored in your chosen folder. Open your Files app to find the audio file and check it out. That's all it takes to convert video to audio using your iPhone. Want to learn about another handy shortcut you can use on iPhone? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.